Hi, I'm Chef Andrew from Kikkoman. Today we're talking about sauce hacks. Sauce hacks are an easy way for you to create your own signature sauce by combining Kikkoman with common everyday ingredients. On the menu today is spicy orange sauce. So in this bowl I've measured Kikkoman orange sauce and I'm going to add Kikkoman Ponzu. You can use lime or citrus seasoned. Kikkoman Sriracha to make it spicy. And an orange concentrate, ginger, and garlic. Now it's as simple as whisking it together. You can measure by weight or volume and multiply by 2, 3, 4 times depending on the quantity that you need. For spicy orange sauce. Spicy orange sauce is great on chicken sandwiches, wings, and tenders. Spicy orange sauce.